Alright, so I use templates to do things like this, stuff like that. As you can see, it's usually pen and ink. I'm starting to want to incorporate some more watercolors with the more precise. And I've been having some problems with when I use the templates that bleeds through underneath. Even when the paper is super dry. A whole bunch of watercolor pencils. So I've been using the watercolor pencils in conjunction with the template and watercolor paint to then do some of this effect. Some of them are still using ink, but I'm also doing some outlines with watercolor pencils first. So I thought what I'd do as an experiment is take all of my pencils, and I'm going to use the Daniel Smith Phthalo Blue, the basic set. I think I've got enough here to just make a whole bunch of squares and see how these things work. So here we go. Okay, well that was plenty of paint. Not super scientific, but I was really just trying to get an idea of what the color pencils would look like of different colors and different brands. The ink tints, not surprisingly, I think, that bled more with the paint than some of the other ones did. I forgot to label these Faber-Castells. I've got, let's see, the top one's going to be Agenda, then we've got cadmium yellow, and then walnut brown. Nope, walnut brown, then cadmium yellow. That's how it went. And then in a bit here, I'm going to erase one of these squares just to see how well the graphite comes out underneath the paint. So that's another experiment. So just trying to get my understanding of how my different materials, mediums, interact. There you go. I'll go ahead and post all of the pencils I used and the Daniel Smith color also in the comments. Cheers.